Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn an important topic which is happening within the market. Market since post-COVID to 2021 October, it has been exceptionally doing well. However, since October, it started falling and all the way almost 18,600 to, as of last closing day, 16,250 points. It has been corrected like anything. People who have entered during this period, whatever I have seen the market, everybody thought that market would be going always up and up, and everybody and anybody can make money so easy. However, this is a stock market, as we all know, that subject to market risk. Stock market never goes single direction. It takes different factors into consideration. Based on that situation, it makes corrections and it makes its own direction. Nobody can timing the market and nobody predict exactly how does it go, where does it go on. So perfect prediction for the market, what we can say is one day definitely market would go down whatever we see current number, and one day market would certainly also go up whatever we see spot price today. So this is a market nature. So whoever coming to invest and make money or want to make money through trading, these are lessons we need to understand, we need to follow that. I will tell you one story. During World War II, right? So there were hardly soldiers available to fight against different countries, right? So there were a lack of enough soldiers. So the countries used to get citizens and train them. However, they gone through the training and all those things. They learned it. But when they really entered into war zone, they heard the sounds and they saw the certain bomb attacks or firings, all those things. After seeing the crowd, more than 50 or 60% people used to run away or run back because they couldn't tolerate, they couldn't imagine such kind of reaction. I would ask you one question. When they went through a training, didn't they know that how sounds appear? Didn't know that how this gun sounds or how the war happens? They never understood. No, actually they know that. But thing is, what is the main difference here is it is psychology, right? When they learn, when they joined army, when they want to fight against other countries during the war, they very much thought that they could fight and they could save their country. But when they enter into real-time scenario, the psychology has become very weak and they faced several problems, and so they turn back. So which is what actually happening now. So market has been correcting all the way 18,600 to daily gap down, and that are all happening. We have seen that. So reasons for that is FS are continuously selling, and Ukraine war is going on, and Fed interest rate hike is a fear of that, and crude oil prices are going up, and dollar price is going up. So India being a import based, all these factors are very much negative to the market. This is why everybody is worried about that their investments, and somebody is thinking that they're pulling out their money and exit the market, or somebody is thinking that sell up all their investments and keep quiet and book the losses. So this is how they are planning to think that. Imagine, let's think that whoever booked loss in COVID 2020 March, by the time, many people have never entered into the market so far, never made any money so far. They're still waiting for market to fall. But this is a thing, right? So nobody can timing the market. So as long as we are with the market, we'll see different scenarios. Let's understand some basic step what has actually happened in the historical way. I'll show you some important interesting thing for you. Yeah, Sensex has started in 1979 April with 100 points. If you see this graph, right, since 1979 it has gone up to around 60,000 points. During this period of growth, Sensex has seen significant up and downs. Let's see what has actually happened over this period of time. We can see this great falls of Sensex during this period. In 1992, all of us know that we read it, right? So what has actually happened is that was nothing but Arshad Mehta scam, right? We all know that, we understand that. What has actually happened is 1992 to 1993 April. So Sensex was at 4,467 points. From there, it was corrected to 2,036 points, which was minus 54.42% was correction happened there. And 2000 and 2001, during this period, there was dot-com bubble. Again, we all know this one, right? So during this period, April 2000 to September 2001, Sensex from 5,883 to 2,600 point corrected. It is around 55.81% market was corrected. And 2008, right? We all know that, right? So Lehman Brothers collapse. This is called recession 2008. That time Sensex was 20,873 points to 8,450 points. It was corrected. It is 59.51% correction took place that time. And 2020, all of us know that many people entered during this period, right? Coronavirus pandemic time. This is a time, right? Sensex was high of 41,945. Since then, it was corrected to 25,981 points. It was around 38% correction happened in the year 2020. Right. So not only these corrections, right, whatever we discussed before, not only that, year 2011 also there was a correction. Entire year has been in the correction mode, and year 2015 has also been in the correction mode. Having seen these many corrections, right, here we have seen that around 6 great falls. Not only that, in between also there were smaller to bigger falls happened. But having seen these many falls, market never turned back, right? It started with 100 points on April 1979, went up to 60,000 points, right? So now we are into 2022. What do we guess? Do you see from here market would go high or it would fall or significantly? What do you expect? If you see this, right, from 1979 to, if you calculate 60,000 points, market has given 600 times returns. Can you believe this? Even after seeing this huge fall, huge market breakouts, several reasons, right? Not only we have seen today Russia-Ukraine war, but there were several wars between India and China, India and Pakistan, and other countries. Wherever we have seen, right, different economic crises, right? Market has gone through all those crises. But even after all the things was even factored in, market continued to go higher and higher, which we have seen 60,000. Now we are in 2022. What do we expect? What do you think of that? Let's see. What to do now? Many people would ask, what to do now? Let's understand. What we can do is, now, if anybody has a liquidity, cash in a hand, what they can do is buy and dip by SIP mode. Don't invest everything at one go. Just buy a little bit quantity at your favorable or favorite stocks. Point number 2, sometimes if you do not have liquidity or no cash, everything was already invested, right? That case, no action is also a best action, right? People who have exited during coronavirus pandemic, they lost, their book losses, they never entered, right? Imagine that those people would have not done anything, they would have made significant, very good profit, right? Sometimes, right, no action. If you do not have any liquidity, you can just keep quiet and you can wait some time. Market would definitely recover that. That's what history says, right? There was nothing mystery. So what is going to happen in 2022, right? We can see that. And then right alignment of portfolio, one can plan that. So in your portfolio, do you see junk stocks? Do you see stocks that are not growing at all? Because you can switch to quality stocks, because quality stocks are also corrected. So bad stocks we are already holding. There was no point holding bad stocks, because when market will again start going up, this bad stocks would not come back to participate in the market. So that time you can switch to junk stocks, close them, and maybe you can switch to great quality stocks. Point number 2, you can diversify your portfolio. So like, do not put all eggs in one basket, right? Our Mr. Warren Buffett used to say that, which means do not invest also our entire money in equity. Divert some money into debt funds. Our portfolio allocation is also art of managing your capital. Keep some money in debt funds, keep some money at reserves, so that you can keep some money to get into market with whenever you see more correction. And point number 5, maybe last point, don't over invest. So market is falling, we don't know what is the bottom, where is the bottom. So do not invest entire your money too much, so that you would have some liquidity to participate into the market. Market would take a U-turn and going up anyway, you already invested, that would give you good returns. Market would not go anywhere, right? It going up and down, market would give you enough opportunities every time. That, but we need to understand, we need to time, and we need to have enough liquidity to get into market to gain the better returns. Hope you understand this video and useful to you, right? So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and follow this channel. If you feel this video is useful to you and your friends, please share it to your friends, so that they understand better where to start, how to manage this portfolio. If you want to participate any friendly discussion and live trades, we have Smart Investor Telegram group. You can join and participate over the various discussion related to market. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.